Hi guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel once again. If today is your first time coming across my channel, yeah, highly welcome. My name is Faith. Here I teach about how to make money online, and if you're interested of making money online while sitting at home, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe anytime I upload a new video. You will be the first person to get notified. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purpose only. I'm not sponsored by Boloup live streaming app, and I'm not a financial advice, and this video is not a financial advice. I don't guarantee any results may vary. Always do your own research before investing your money in any live streaming app mentioned on this video. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the main video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can able to make money using Boloup live streaming app, whether you are old member or new users on this platform. Maybe it is your first time coming across this app. Is a new live streaming app and also a party where you can get paid by doing tasks here and playing games. By the end of the day, you will get paid in your local currency. Okay, to download the app, you can check the comment section or description of this video. You can see the link to download this app, or if you want to become an agent on this app, you can actually, I'm going to put the link down on the comment section of this video or in the description. Head and download it and give it a try. Note that before you can start working on this platform, you need to join an agency or you need to create your own agency. Okay, if you want to create your own agency or you want to join an agency, I'm going to put the how you can create your own agency down on the comment section of this video. Go ahead and become your own agency, or you want to join as a host, I'm also going to put my agency ID down on the comment section of this video. Or if you don't want to join my agency, it is not by force. You can actually go to the app and then look for an agency you can join and join them. Okay, it's very, very simple. Okay, so now I'm going to be teaching you how you can able to make money, whether you are old member or new users on this platform. Okay, so now if you know that you have abandoned this app, go and install this app back and start using it right now, because I'm going to be sharing with you my two strategy how I earn $200 here within 2 weeks on Boloup live streaming app. Okay, because anything that works for me is what I bring here, and you can try it out. If it works for you, it is by luck, and I'm going to be sharing with you my strategy, and you can follow it as well. If it is works for you, it's fine. Okay, so now as you can, this is my account. Okay, I just open my party. Okay, and as you can see, I'm actually performing my task. I came here to do my task for today's. I record this video on Sunday, and I think I'm going to be posting it today. As you can see, you see this salary now. Without joining an agency or without becoming an agency, you cannot be able to see this salary. This salary is tax you are going to be doing. If you are a newbie, all you need to do is for you to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring out the tax option as a newbie, because as a newbie, once you join Boloup new, they're going to be giving you newbie reward. Okay, which means you need to complete your, make sure you keep on going live. You can go live, you can go party, depend on anyone you like. Okay, so if you don't want to show your face, if you want to show your face, you can, they have both. Okay, so you can go live or go party, all of them are the same. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, they have salary level, level K, level G, and level H, a lot. Okay, so as you can see, is 500. Once you complete your newbie reward, they're going to be giving you 500 for 1 hour. Okay, so for 1 hour 500. Now and once you upgrade by buying coins and upgrade, your tax level is going to increase just like other live streaming app, and this is where my strategy started. Okay, let me go back to that salary tax and show you what you need to do here. As you can see on my screen, this is salary, this is tax, this is reward, and we're gonna go with salary. Okay, so as you can see, my tax is already counting. Once it reaches 60 minutes now, I'm going to be collecting my reward. As you can see, they have level K, they have level G, they have level I, they have level H. You know, the more you do exchange, the more your tax level increase. As you can see in this level K, once you do exchange of 30,000, that reach 30,000, then we are going to be receiving 1 once you yeah, like once you are doing it, the more you do exchange, the more your tax increase. And what you need to do, because a lot of people have complained to me that why is it that if I level up, it didn't even reach up to 7 days, they will bring me down. You did not do it in the right way. That is the reason why I want to make this video. You need to start doing this in a right way. Okay, this is where a lot of people make money, which you don't know about it. Okay, all you need to do, make sure when you want to upgrade by upgrading your salary, don't just buy 5,000 coins or 3,000 coins and expect it to be upgraded for that day. Maybe you buy coins of 3,000 coins today, you do exchange today, tomorrow we go ahead and buy 2,000 coins, tomorrow you go ahead. It's not work that way. If you want to level up by target your live streaming, make sure you plan yourself very well. Buy enough coins that once you do exchange, it will accumulate like 30,000 so you can actually level up to 1,001 for 7 days. Right? As they will not bring you down in 7 days. Make sure any leveling up you want to do, make sure you do it once. Don't do it like today you will do exchange of 10,000, tomorrow you will do. No, it is not going to work for you. Make sure you do that exchange once and keep on streaming till 7 days. If they bring you down, then you will know how your pocket is. If you want to go again, you can. If you don't want to, it's not by force. Okay? You keep on doing small tasks and keep on doing some activities on the app. First off, I'm going to be teaching you how you can able to win game. This is where a lot of people make money, and this is where I make my own money too. As you can see on my screen, you can see that people are playing games and winning. Make sure when playing your game, make sure you are your own panel watching something. Okay, this is something. Make sure you watch your network connection if it is actually okay. Make sure you are on your panel. Anytime you want to play your game, make sure you are on your panel playing it. As you can see, people are winning game. People are winning from lucky gifts. What actually it is winning for that time you are on your panel. Now I'm on my panel. Notice that what is winning now is Ocean Hunt from Ocean. Like right now, if I have coins, if I play this Ocean Hunt, I will win. Even if I win 30,000, I win 5k, it is something. But anytime you want to play this game, this is another strategy. Make sure you look up and you know the type of game that is winning that moment. As you can see, what is winning now, I'm on my panel on Sunday, is Ocean Hunt. People are winning from Ocean Hunt. Okay? If I have coins now, I can actually play it for you guys to see, but right now I don't have coin. Or you want to throw lucky gift. As you can see on my screen, you're going to see that what is winning now is lucky silver star. If you want to throw lucky gift, you can actually go to somewhere that people full on the party and throw it. You may virtually win. Now, as you can see this thing I'm writing, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually do exchange here. If you want people to come to your panel to do exchange, this is what you're going to do. Maybe you play game and win and you don't know what else to do, or you have extra 2,000, maybe you have 33,000 coin, or you want to do exchange of 30,000. See what you're going to do. You need to come here. You can see whole platform room. This is where you're going to announce your exchange. Anybody that have that kind of exchange will come. You guys will do it. The person will send to you. Then you will send to the person back. As you can see, 30,000 exchange. Come over, please. Then you will click here. If I have coin, this thing is going to move and keep on going to panel to panel. Anybody that have that exchange will come. Then you guys will do it together. The person will send to you and you will send to the person back. Then that is how you can. If you join my agency, if I'm not online, you can actually DM me. Okay, so once you DM me, if I have coins immediately, I can do exchange with you. Or if I don't have, I can actually take it to my friends I can do exchange with. Okay, safely there without having any problem. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you how you can actually do the exchange successfully as you know, babe, here. Okay, now you can see that you can click on this gift box. It's going to bring you to this interface. Then you're going to see normal. Anytime you want to do exchange, make sure you go to normal and select any exchange you want to do, and don't go to lucky because lucky is not part of the exchange. Make sure you go to normal, and look for an exchange you want to exchange. Okay, as you can as what I said before, if you want to make money, both new users or old members, maybe you don't know what you're doing here, you don't even earn money, make sure you buy coins, try game out, because everything is luck. Make sure while playing game, as I said before, while playing game or you want to sell lucky gifts, make sure you cross check what is winning that moment. Make sure you cross check, it's very important, make sure you cross check what is winning that moment, and make sure you cross check your the internet network, and know if your internet network is okay. Once your internet network is okay, and you are good to go. And secondly, maybe you are playing game and it is not returning at all. See what you are going to do. The next step you need to do is for you to go to your settings on your phone and clear some archives on your phone. And also delete some photos you are not more making use of. Your screenshots you're downloading from social media. Make sure you delete all unnecessary picture there, so that your phone can be free. Okay, so that your phone can actually have a space. Okay, so this thing I'm sharing with you is what actually worked for me, and anything that works for me is what I bring here. You too can try it, and you might not get the exact result, or you might try it and get the exact result. Okay, anything I bring here is what I'm doing. Okay, so now for those of you that are asking, is men available on this platform? Yes, men can actually, and the good thing I like about this platform is that men can actually do tasks, women actually doing tasks. Okay, so and men can actually, if you have talent, you can sing and dance. Anyone you can do it. But do you see the most interesting I like about this app? Men and women actually do tasks. As a man, you can do tasks. As a woman, you can do tasks. Okay, that is the thing I like about this platform. It's very very nice. Okay, so that is just it for now. And if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. I'm gonna be replying messages, or you want to buy coins, you can actually DM me, join my group and DM me, then I will send you on a coin list, then you will pay for it, and the counselor will send you the coins on your Boloup up. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and bye.